Hi guys, I'm back with another question. This time the question is on the circles chapter. So they want us to find the value of angle PRS. So angle PRS would mean that this is P going to R and S. So you want to focus on the letter in the center, which is R. So that would mean that we are going to want to find this angle over here. So I'm just going to mark angle PRS. This is the angle that we are looking for, right? The R. Okay, so there are a few things that we can figure out from the circle. Is that the first thing that we can figure out is that this angle, right, the 62 degrees, this 62 degrees, it's coming from these two lines, right? It's formed from these two lines which come from this arc RS, right? So this arc R to S, it forms the 62-degree angle, right? And this 62-degree angle is at the center. Now from the same arc RS, if I extend this line to the circumference, I can get another angle. So this angle over here, angle SPR here, this angle over here, it's coming from the same arc. If you notice that this line here, it's going to S, and then from P it's going to R, so it's being subtended by the same arc. So the rule of circle says that if you have two angles that are derived by the same arc, and one of the angle is at the center and one is at the circumference, the angle at the center is 2 times bigger than the angle at the circumference. So this means that this angle over here, right? So I'm just going to use this. Okay, I'm just going to write it down here. This angle over here is half of the size of 62 degrees. So we're going to take 62 and divide by 2. So that means this angle is 31 degrees. Okay, so that's the first step. Now the second step is to figure out what other things can we find from this triangle, right? What other things can we see? So I see a cyclic quadrilateral. Now what is a quadrilateral? A quadrilateral is a polygon, four-sided polygon, and a cyclic quadrilateral is a four-sided polygon where all four vertices touch the circumference of the circle, right? So if you notice these four vertices that I've marked here, 1, 2, 3, 4, they are all touching the circumference, which means that this is a cyclic quadrilateral. So let me explain to you about a cyclic quadrilateral, right? What is the rule of a cyclic quadrilateral? So if you have a circle, okay, and in this circle we have a quadrilateral, so this makes it a cyclic quadrilateral. So the rule of a cyclic quadrilateral states that the opposite angle of a cyclic quadrilateral has to sum up to 180 degrees. That's the rule. Okay. So that means that 54 and the opposite angle over here must sum up to 180. That means that if I want to get this angle over here, I will have to take 180 degrees and subtract 54. So this will give me 126 degrees. Okay, so now that we've got that covered, so now I'd like you to look at this triangle over here, right? This particular triangle. So all angles in a triangle sums up to 180 degrees. So that means this angle here, which is 31, plus this angle here, 126, plus the angle that we are looking for, angle PRS, they all have to sum up to 180 degrees. So this means that 31 degrees plus 126 degrees plus angle PRS has to be 180 degrees because all three angles in a triangle sums up to 180. That's the rule of a triangle. Okay, so that means that when I add these two added together gives me 157. So that means angle PRS is equals to 180 minus 157. So that would give me 23. And so this is the answer. Okay, A. Alright, hope this one is useful too. Bye.